the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit, your ultimate roadside rescue. Designed for convenience, this compact kit helps you repair a flat tire without removing it from the car, getting you back on the road in just minutes. Inside the kit, you'll find a powerful air compressor and a bottle of Slime's specially formulated tire sealant. The sealant seeks out and instantly seals punctures up to 1/4 inch in size, forming a strong, flexible plug from the inside. Just attach the sealant bottle to your tire's valve, turn on the compressor, and in about 10 minutes, your tire will be fully sealed and inflated. No need for jacks, spares, or expensive tow trucks. The slime sealant is non-toxic, non-corrosive, and easily cleans up with water, making it safe for you, your tire sensors, and the environment. Perfect for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The kit is compact enough to store easily in your trunk, glove box, or under your seat, always ready when you need it. In addition to the repair essentials, the kit also includes helpful extras like a built-in tire pressure gauge, a bright LED light for nighttime emergencies, and multiple nozzle adapters, so you can even inflate sports balls, air mattresses, and bike tires. Reliable, fast, and easy to use, the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit gives you peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Don't get stranded, be ready with slime. Introducing the BuiltRight Industries Bedside Rack System, the ultimate solution for organizing your truck bed with strength, versatility, and style. Designed specifically for modern pickup trucks, this system transforms the wasted space along your bed walls into a fully customizable gear management area. Made from laser-cut, precision-formed steel and finished with a durable black powder coat, the bedside rack system is built tough to handle whatever you throw at it. From heavy tools to off-road gear, installation is simple and fully bolt-on, using factory mounting points, with no drilling or permanent modifications required. Within minutes, you can have secure mounting panels ready for all your essentials. Its modular design features a grid of slots and holes, compatible with mall accessories, clamps, straps, and other tactical gear. You can mount everything from recovery equipment and tool bags to fire extinguishers and first aid kits, keeping your bed clean, organized, and ready for action. Engineered for maximum strength and minimal weight, the bedside rack system holds your gear securely even over the roughest terrain. And when you need to reconfigure, it's just as easy to adjust, expand, or remove as your needs change. Proudly made in the USA and backed by BuiltRight's lifetime warranty, this system is trusted by weekend adventurers, off-roaders, and work truck pros alike. Organize smarter, adventure harder with the BuiltRight Industries Bedside Rack System. Meet the CarAIDE world's most powerful jump starter. Not just a jump starter, but a complete emergency tool for your car. Designed to jumpstart dead batteries in seconds, it's powerful enough for cars, SUVs, trucks, and even boats. With an incredible peak current of up to 1,000 amps, the CarAIDE can restart a dead battery without needing another vehicle. No cables, no waiting, no stress. But it's much more than that. This device also functions as a power bank to charge your phones, tablets, and other electronics on the go. It even features a built-in flashlight with SOS and strobe modes for emergencies, plus a safety alarm to deter potential threats. Built with smart safety features like reverse polarity protection, short-circuit protection, and overcurrent protection, it's designed to be safe and easy for anyone to use. Lightweight, compact, and rugged, the CarAIDE easily stores in your glove box or backpack, ready whenever you need it. From jump-starting your engine to charging your devices and providing emergency light, the CarAIDE world's most powerful jump starter is your all-in-one roadside hero. Take your adventures further with Nordtrack snow and off-road tracks for Jeeps, the ultimate upgrade for year-round extreme performance. Built tough, Nordtrack transforms your Jeep into a terrain-dominating machine, handling deep snow, mud, sand, and rocky trails with ease. These heavy-duty tracks replace your wheels, offering superior traction, flotation, and stability where tires just can't keep up. From snowy mountains to muddy backroads, Nordtrack keeps you moving. Installation is simple with custom mounting hardware designed for your Jeep. No permanent modifications required. Switch between wheels and tracks, depending on the season or the challenge. The rugged, shock-absorbing design distributes weight evenly, delivering a smoother, safer ride over even the harshest terrain. Perfect for off-roaders, rescue missions, or anyone who demands more from their Jeep. Nordtrack lets you explore without limits, no matter the conditions. Crush the elements with Nordtrack snow and off-road tracks for Jeeps. Built for adventure, made to endure. Meet Buffalo Carts, the company that's giving old-school Wagon-Haulin a serious electric upgrade. Buffalo Carts are tough, battery-powered carts designed to move heavy loads without the sweat and strain of traditional wagons. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, massive off-road tires, and a rugged electric drive system, Buffalo Carts are made for serious work, from construction sites and farms to event setups and warehouse yards. Each cart comes with a powerful electric motor that quietly hauls up to 500 pounds of cargo with ease, even over rough or uneven terrain. Controls are simple and intuitive, just a throttle to move forward or back, making it easy for anyone to operate. No more pushing, no more pulling, just effortless hauling. And with swappable battery packs, you can keep the cart running all day long without downtime. Buffalo Carts are weather-resistant, tough as nails, and ready to go wherever you need them. Plus, they dramatically reduce the physical strain on workers, helping prevent injuries and boosting productivity. Whether you're moving lumber, tools, feed, or supplies, Buffalo Carts make heavy work feel light. It's the perfect marriage of traditional hauling and modern electric muscle. Buffalo Carts, because hard work shouldn't be backbreaking. Give your hauling a boost, the electric way. Introducing the BLUETTI SwapSolar, a revolutionary ecosystem that transforms how you stay cool and powered on the go. At the center is the MultiCooler, a feature-packed portable cooler designed not just for your car, but for every adventure. The MultiCooler delivers 3-in-1 versatility. It's a fridge, a freezer, and an ice maker, all in one sleek, durable unit. No more relying on melting ice, messy coolers, or noisy, gas-powered generators. With precise digital temperature control, you can chill your drinks, freeze your food, or whip up fresh ice whenever you need it. Powering the system is the ingenious SwapSolar battery setup. Each lightweight, removable battery slots in seamlessly and provides hours of uninterrupted cooling, whether you're parked at the beach, camping off-grid, or tailgating at your favorite game. And when one battery runs low, just swap in a fresh one. No cords, no waiting, no draining your car's battery. And here's the real magic. Those same batteries don't just power the cooler. They also fuel BlueTti's new AC 180T portable power station, letting you charge phones, power laptops, run lights, or even keep small appliances going, completely off the grid. It's an ecosystem designed for total freedom, total flexibility, and total peace of mind. The batteries are fast-charging, solar-ready, and built tough to handle all your adventures. Plus, the MultiCooler is rugged, weather-resistant, and easy to move, making it your ultimate companion for road trips, camping, picnics, and even emergency situations. BlueTti SwapSolar, your portable powerhouse for cooling, charging, and living without limits. Welcome to Crunk Drawers, where modern design meets ultimate functionality with KAMP drawers, the perfect solution for all your storage needs. Crunk drawers bring a blend of style and durability to any space. Whether at home, in the office, or the garage, these drawers offer a sleek, contemporary look without compromising on strength. KAMP drawers are built to last, featuring smooth, gliding mechanisms and strong, durable construction. No matter the weight, these drawers handle everything with ease, keeping your items organized and accessible. Customization is key with KAMP drawers. Available in a variety of finishes and colors, they fit seamlessly into any environment, whether you're looking for a clean, modern vibe or a more rustic touch. Inside each KAMP drawer, the design maximizes space for easy organization. No more digging through clutter. Everything has its place, making your space more efficient and organized. Crunk drawers with KAMP drawers inside deliver the perfect balance of style, functionality, and organization. Simplify your space and elevate your storage today. Introducing the FullStop Gemini wheel clamp, the ultimate security solution for your vehicle. Whether you're protecting your car, trailer, or another valuable vehicle, the Gemini wheel clamp ensures top-notch protection with advanced design and robust construction. The FullStop Gemini wheel clamp is a high-quality, heavy-duty wheel lock designed to prevent theft and unauthorized movement. Built for durability and reliability, it's perfect for cars, trailers, vans, and more. Crafted from tough, weather-resistant materials, the Gemini wheel clamp features a unique twin-arm design that securely locks around the wheel, making it almost impossible to remove without the key. The advanced locking system offers maximum protection, keeping your vehicle safe. The Gemini wheel clamp is versatile, fitting a wide range of wheel sizes. Whether securing a small car or a large trailer, it adapts to provide a secure fit, offering reliable protection across various vehicle types. Using the Gemini wheel clamp is simple and fast. Just place the clamp over the wheel, tighten it, and lock it into place. No tools required, and its easy application ensures your vehicle stays protected without hassle. For the best in vehicle security, trust the FullStop Gemini wheel clamp. Its durability, ease of use, and unbeatable protection make it the ideal choice for safeguarding your vehicle wherever you go.